Hello, this is Annette with Project Refine Life. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here. This is Unbox. And the reason that I'm saying this is because November 14th, I put out a video called What's in My Tarot Anti-Bucket List. And one of the things I mentioned was unboxings. I said I was not going to do unboxings. And, well, I'm going to do an unboxing. So I'm already just a little over 2 months and I'm going to kind of change the rules here already. But I thought it would be kind of fun to unbox this Kickstarter deck, which is the Practical Magic Inner Witch Tarot by Grounded by the Moon. And this is the same creator as the Practical Magic Inner Witch Oracle, which I love because it's based on the movie Practical Magic. And I love that movie. I'm trying hard not to call it an unboxing, but it kind of really truly is. So let's go ahead and go with it. So this is the box. Kind of stuck there. And you know what? When I open my boxes up, I always try to reuse my tissue paper. So as you can see, taking that off with care and putting it off to the side. And let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's in here, guys. Okay, here we go. Here's a little sticker by Grounded by the Moon. Here is the Practical Magic Inner Witch Spreads. So just, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 spreads. Death Witch Beetle, Witch's House, Guarding Gate. It's over here. Magic of Duality, Midnight Margaritas. Oh my goodness, I love that. Is like one of my favorite scenes. Lighting the Candle and Troublesome X. That's pretty cool. Okay. You know, one of the things that Joseph does just about all the time is challenges, so monthly challenges. So if you go to his Instagram page, which I will put the link of below, you can almost always find a challenge for the month. So this right here is the Inner Witch Tarot Challenge, a 30-day challenge designed to be completed at your own pace. Very cool. So he gives you prompts, looks like. Very cool. Oh, thank you, Joseph. That's really cool. All right, and what's this? What? Hot chocolate mocha? Lavender for luck? No way. He gives you a mocha recipe. Hello, you must have known that we were all going to be doing that coffee house Dex prompt. So, my goodness, awesome. I know you didn't know, but you know, I just had to kind of throw that in there. All right, let's see. Ooh, very pretty. Let's see. Let's open this up. I cannot remember what was in the Kickstarter campaign. So this is all kind of like a big surprise to me because I really haven't taken a look since then. Because I know with Kickstarter, guys, you know what? It takes time. Things are just delayed now and we have to be patient. So I have a tendency of when I back a Kickstarter, I really don't go back and check. Because for one, I forget. And then two, I just, you know, it takes a while. So I just kind of put it off my mind until it gets here. These are cool. So these are bigger versions of some of the cards. Very cool. All right. All right. I'm liking it. That's cool. All right, let's see. What do we have here? All right, so this is obviously the deck, which I'm going to put off to the side for just a moment. And then here's a little card holder. Oh, look at it. That's really pretty. As above, so within the universe. So without the soul, so below. That's really pretty. And then on the back, it says Grounded by the Moon. Very nice. Okay. Oh, this one's pretty. I sound like a kid, right? But seriously, this one's really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then, oh, what a nice little bag. That's really, really nice. Okay. So let me move this stuff out of the way for now, so that way we can focus on the deck itself. And you can hear my chair moving. I need to get a new chair, guys. But the chair that I have at my desk, if you saw my desk tour, I found this desk, or the chair, outside in the trash. And I dragged it in because I'm like, heck, I can use this. I do need to get a new chair, but, you know, just not in the plans right now. All right, so comes wrapped, of course, in this little black tissue paper, which I am going to reuse. If you get a gift from me, you're going to see that I always, the bags that I use, the tissue paper that I use, it's always from something else that I received. I reuse stuff. All right, put that off to the side. I'm sorry if I'm making all kinds of noise. Usually, you guys are guarded from that stuff. All right, let me open this up. And I just used regular scissors, guys, not just kid scissors. Again, if you saw my desk tour, you'll know that I have like a little jar full of kid scissors. But hey, I brought out the big kid scissors today. Okay, so it's wrapped in plastic. And pretty shortly here, you're probably going to just start listening to music because I'm going to start experiencing this. Oh my goodness, this box is really beautifully done. Look at this. A simplistic take on tarot based off Rider-Waite-Smith, designed for all witches. Work with the elements, connect with the cards, unlock your magic. Grounded by the Moon 2022. Guys, this is really, really pretty. First edition. This is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, so this just kind of opens up here, but again, look at that. Wow. Okay. You know what? It's kind of hard when they open up like this, just to be perfectly honest, because it's hard to get the deck in and out, but this is such a beautiful box. Okay, what does it say here? Work with the elements, connect with the cards, unlock your magic. Wow. Nice little string. Again, Grounded by the Moon 2022. What a beautiful box. Such detail. This is a really pretty box and has a really nice little magnet to keep it closed. And so before I even get to that, let's just look at... Here's the box for the tarot. Here's the box for the oracle. Really designed within the same manner. Oh, look at, they both have the yellow little ribbon inside too. And again, he paid really great attention to this box. So I don't know why I wasn't expecting the same thing here, but, and I love the way that they match so perfectly. Very, very, very nicely done, Joseph. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the deck. Here's the guidebook. And, oh, look at it. It's etched in black. The pages are black. Gold lettering. Full color picture here. Oh. Okay, so I started from the wrong side, but let's see what we have. What is tarot? A little welcome. Sabbath's cards, very nice. Elements, suits, court cards, numerology in the tarot, tarot in the zodiac, deck connection. So he talks about here cleansing and consecration of the deck. Crystal suggestions, very nice. He even suggests crystal suggestions. Well, see, now when I brought this out, I wanted my little owl here. So this is an obsidian owl, and I have a very special connection with owls. One day I'll get into that story with you guys, but he has clear quartz, amethyst, tiger's eye, black tourmaline, and selenite. Nice. How to care for your deck, learning the cards, and the Fool's Journey, a little 3-card spread, how to give a reading. And then here's all of the cards in the majors. And then he gets into the description, symbols right here, and then keywords and magic. Let me bring this up a little bit closer. The white rose, and then he describes the cards, which I'm not going to get into just yet. I will look at that later with more detail. And then you guys know that after I work with the deck a little bit, you'll see another video. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so it's just this little plastic right here. And I think I got the same. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oh my gosh. I got the same edging on the Oracle edition. It's like, I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. Is it like a midnight blue or something? Oh my goodness, you guys, they're so pretty. Oh, look at the backs together. Yes. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let me stop geeking out. All right. So let me go ahead and start looking at the cards and start doing my clearing of these items. Give me just a moment here. And let's start up, guys. Well, guys, that is the flip through of the deck. I do need to spend some more time with it, but I really like it so far. I really, really like it. So you saw me kind of tap on a few things, and that kind of like just kind of pushes my attention. I love this ant here. I love the way that he named the suits. So initiate, apprentice, teacher, and sovereign. I think that is just absolutely beautifully named. I love the way he captured the energy of the RWS in these quite different approaches. So here it's a suit of the earth, and he's still capturing that RWS meaning, but really pulling in elements of the earth without forgetting the movie, paying homage to the movie, which is just beautifully done. I really, really like this. I love that the hand is holding the earth here and offering that growth, that expansion, that grounding. That is really pretty. And here, again, these suits are so beautiful. I love the animal representation within this suit, within the court cards. That is really nice. Oh my goodness. And here, again, just capturing the essence of the RWS, the meanings within a different light. And this, oh my goodness, this suit, I'm crushing on this air element suit. This is really, really pretty. Look at this. I mean, this is just so beautiful. I really like this. I really did not know how I was going to feel about this suit. I love the idea of incense and sage. And then here with the 3, you still have the piercing of the heart. So you still have that reminder that calling into the RWS, but you know, he's just bringing up that incense, the smoke, the air element from it. Really beautiful. I love the sage. Oh my goodness, that is really gorgeous. And again, I like his use of animals here. I love the names of the court systems. And then here you still have the rainbow within the 10 of Cups. I'm losing it here. I don't want to lose place yet. I need these still in order. I love the use of the cups, the goblets, the flutes. Really pretty. This little wooden pathway here, or bridge. I'm not quite sure if it's a pathway or bridge. I'll have to dig into the guidebook and see what it says. The colors here for the different options that are available. Really, really smart. I like this. This one really got to me because he's pouring, or she is pouring, they are pouring from the cup, their own cup, into somebody else's hands and letting it overflow. Wow, that is really, really pretty. And this, I love that you have these 3 over here, and these 2, even though they're standing, they're cracked. I said I wasn't going to do this, but I'm doing it because I'm really touched by this. I really like it. I like the way that the elements are presented. And then the flutes for the lovers, oh my, or not the lovers, the 2 of Cups rather, I'm so sorry. But I love this. This is beautiful. That's really, really nice. And you can do with that what you want. You know, that could be your relationship with you. Could be the duality of you. I mean, that could, so many ways. You could take that so many ways. That's just beautiful. Again, the courts. I love the animals that are used within the court system, and I love the way that he named them. Really, really nice. Look at, oh, beautiful. Okay, now one thing I noticed here is that he does use a few different colors on the candles, and I'm thinking it's just for some depth within the picture. I don't know if there's any significance within the colors of the candles, but I'll look into that within the guidebook. This, I love that he used brooms. Yes, that is so cool. And this, see, now here it's all red, and I don't know if it's to offset this or not. I'm not quite sure. I love the way that this is represented here with that reef and the ribbon that's flowing. This is just beautiful. I really like that. Even though there's that idea of conflict. See here, you have that one black candle. So I think there's something to be told within the color of the candles and the way this one's, you know, not lit, the other ones are lit. So I think there's something that I need to look in further into this suit with the colors of the candles. And maybe it's not him, maybe it'll just mean something to me. I'm not quite sure. This is really pretty. I really love this. That's really nice. Burning that, really pretty. And again, here you see that element just going up. That's really pretty. I love the way that the 4 elements are just part of the world. You know, that's the world, the judgment here. This is really nice. I really like that. Oh, you guys, I'm really not even supposed to be talking here, but I just can't help it. This tree, oh my goodness, or the tower rather, with this rose bush or this rose tree is what he's kind of made it into. And the snake coming up, that's so telling of the movie. And I just love, love, love this card. That's really good. And then this is called the Temptations. Look at that. That's so cool. Temperance. I like the naming of this card, Death and Rebirth, because that is in essence what the Death card is about. It's about death and rebirth. So I love that he just went ahead and named it that and gave us the skull plus the lilies. Beautiful. The Hanged One. This is really nice depiction here. This one, I really love this too. He used the cycles of the moon. Oh, really, really cool. The Hermit, just simple, beautiful, well done. I like that. He's so cute. He looks like my neighbor's cat. I love him. I like that. That's really nice. So as you can tell, I'm not getting into full-blown conversations here because that was not my intention. But boy, and the High Priestess. Yes, using the candles as the pillars. You still have the moon. Very, very nicely done. The Witch, the renaming here. Very nice. And the Fool, the pure, beautiful, this idea of innocence within the white rose. Very, very pretty. And then these, I like I said, I don't remember, but I really like that it has the full moon and the new moon in here, and it has the Sabbats. Oh my goodness, that's really, really cool. And I don't know, let me hold this up so you can see just a little bit better, but everything is highlighted within the Sabbat. Look at that. That's really cool. You guys, I'm really impressed and I cannot wait to get to work with this deck. Oh my goodness, I really like it. Now at the beginning of this, which I didn't walk you through before because I didn't know was in here, are a few more spreads, which is pretty cool. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was 7 in the booklet, and or that little pamphlet. And then I believe there was 1 in here, I think. All right, guys, this is it. This is my not unboxing video of the Inner Witch Tarot. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you later.